blow up McDonald's.
Blow up McDonald's?
Do you hate your job?
Fuck off,
No, I love my job.
You are the best. Missy's order here. Is anything free?
You're free?
Are you free?
No, I
Yeah.
cost too much.
Baby.
Oh shit.
I love you.
I love you too. Go to the first window.
Okay.
She's good dog, dude. Yo, hold on this window. I got Ash.
On my one square, she told me I'm the one, but I think she on that joint.
Hey, baby. She's free.
What do y'all want, little hot?
We want free stuff.
What do y'all want?
Free?
Yes.
We want dollar menu stuff for free.
Then what do you want? I'll call him and get your ass in here and fix it.
Can I really?